Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Wednesday, July 26, 2023. Yes, there she is, our 1947 18.5-foot Truscott Utility. She's going to come out and show us what she can do in her sea trial. She ended up just a magnificent example. We had to leave the engine box home because Joe needs room to set the stuffing box and to make any carburation adjustments, etc. There's just not room to tip it back. So in a second, she'll pull away or across the water. Joe is testing the engine temperature, the block temperature, the head temperature, and we're saying below 110. This is a Chrysler Ace, which was one of Truscott's favorite engines for both this model and for the 19.5-foot runabout. Fully restored, rebuilt, every single nut and bolt was removed from the engine. Robert Henkel turned it into an engine, as you can hear, runs like a watch. The gauges were restored by Shauna Whiting, Ocean Instruments. All the hardware was turned into jewelry by D&S Custom Metal Restoration in Holyoke, Mass. The upholstery matches the original. The flooring is dove gray marbled marmoleum, which our research suggests is what Truscott used. What have you got now, Joe?
126.
That's about where we want it. Running at 126. You can tell by the fact that he's got his hand on the exhaust manifold that things are okay. She has the 5200 bottom. She'll take on no water. This bottom is good for decades and decades. Now, there she goes. Believe it or not, this engine idles beautifully and happily at 300 RPM, which will be really important to her new stewards when they try to put her on a lift or bring her to a dock. What a beautiful boat. What a beautiful boat. My goodness. Listen to that Ace growl. Joel will go out, make a couple turns, keeping an eye on temperature. Once he gets her warmed up, I think we're gonna have some fun. Water's a little rough today. We have these famous Lake Champlain rollers that come in from nowhere. No boat has gone by. What a beautiful boat in the water, isn't she? The only thing better is my 1948 19.5-foot Truscott runabout, which we're almost finished with. There she comes. So we've done a little tuning. That's what sea trials are for. That, the shaft log, and make sure she's running cool. Look at that, huh? Look at that. Oh, that Truscott's so beautiful in the water. Look at that bow. Oh, what a sharp turn she makes. Huh? That is beautiful. So, our Truscott is ready to join her new stewards. She passed her sea trial with flying colors. So, bye-bye for now on July 26th from Snake Mountain Boat Works.